Logging into Connecto for the first time. This tutorial explains how to connect to Connecto's browser-based management interface for the first time. The connection is established using a PC connected to the Connecto unit. As part of this process, Internet access is established, your local wireless network is set up, and your PBX is configured. Connect your PC to the LAN socket on the Connecto unit. Ensure that the PC is configured to receive an IP address automatically from a DHCP server. In a browser, in the URL field, enter Connecto's default IP address 192.168.1.1 and press Enter. The Welcome to OpenCPE screen appears. Select a web interface language and click Next. The Login Setup screen appears. This screen is used to enter the system administrator authentication parameters. Enter your email address and then, in the username field, enter a username for the administrator account, such as admin. Note that the username can contain a maximum of 64 characters and cannot include any capital letters or special characters like pound, dollar, star, etc. In the password field, enter an administrator password. When you have filled in the fields, click Next. The installation wizard opens. The installation wizard automatically diagnoses your network environment and configures its components. As explained in its first screen, the installation wizard is a step-by-step procedure that guides you through establishing an internet connection and setting up a wireless network. The wizard progress box located at the right-hand side of the screen provides a monitoring tool for the wizard steps during the installation progress. Click Next to start the installation wizard. The wizard procedure commences, performing the steps listed in the progress box consecutively, stopping only if a step fails or if input is required. If a step fails, click the Retry or Skip buttons to continue. The first step is a test of the Ethernet WAN connection. This step may fail if Connecto cannot detect your Ethernet link, for example if the cable is unplugged. In this case, the screen changes. Verify that your Ethernet WAN cable is connected properly and click Retry. If the step still fails, click Skip to skip the step and continue the wizard procedure. The next step is an analysis of your internet connection. This step may fail if Connecto is unable to detect your internet connection type. In this case, you can manually set the internet connection type by clicking the corresponding button or click Skip to continue. The next step tests the connections to your Internet Service Provider, ISP, and to the Internet. The next step configures your wireless Wi-Fi network. Connecto initially sets the SSID of the wireless network to Connecto_username. You can change this name according to your preference. Select the wireless security level. For example, for the highest level of security, select WPA and fill in a WPA password to protect your Wi-Fi network from unauthorized access. Click Next to continue. The next screen allows you to configure your PBX. The screen provides the options of creating new internal extensions, adding new external VoIP lines, and creating dialing rules. All these operations can be performed later on as well. When you are finished with this step, select Finish PBX Setup and then click Next. The next and final screen displays a summary of all the Internet connection configuration steps and their results, including which step succeeded and which failed. Click Finish to complete the wizard procedure and open the browser-based management interface homepage.